Record cooking oil prices add to increasing food inflation in wake of Ukraine crisis. Thank you for watching. Making video is time-consuming and hard work. Kindly click the subscribe button and click the like button so as to encourage us to make the videos you like. Thank you and happy watching. Prices of cooking oils, used in thousands of products from chocolate to margarine and instant noodles, are on a tear, and that means shoppers need to brace for more expensive groceries. Prices of the four major oils palm, soybean, rapeseed and sunflower have soared, and the rally is set to cascade down to shoppers in the form of higher costs.
Oil and sunflower oil, as Indonesia is planning to limit palm oil exports. In the short term, India could improve its imports of more palm oil from Malaysia, but this will not be enough. The country imports soy oil from Argentina and Brazil and sunflower oil from Russia and Ukraine. The prices of palm oil have soared as Indonesia, the world's largest producer and exporter, wants to limit palm oil shipments by as much as 20% in a bid to tame domestic cooking oil prices, which have climbed about 40% from a year earlier, in line with high global palm oil prices. On Thursday, the price was about $1,248.63 a ton. This has impacted big buyers like China and India. India imports 60% of palm oil from Indonesia and remaining 40% from Malaysia, and high prices like this is not sustainable for Indian buyers. This rally has reduced the price gap with palm oil and other soft oils, and Indian buyers are likely to shift towards soy oil and sunflower oil.
Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the sweeping US and European sanctions that ensued from crude oil to grains and edible oils, commodities have been rocked sky-high prices. Ukraine's ports are closed, transport and logistics are severed, and buyers are unwilling or unable to pay the surging costs of insurance and freight required to secure cargoes from the Black Sea.
Lay down your arms and surrender. But this proposal is likely to be ignored by Ukraine, just like it ignored a similar demand on Tuesday. While the urban areas of Mariupol are reportedly under Russian control, Ukrainian fighters are holed up in a sprawling steel plant, the last frontier of the defenders of Mariupol. According to a Ukrainian presidential advisor, Russia was hitting the steel plant with bunker buster bombs. President Vladimir Zelensky acknowledged that the situation in the southern port city was tough. Mariupol has endured 8 weeks of non-stop bombardment. Once a bustling city of 400,000, it has now been reduced to rubble. The people who remain struggle to survive since the city is without electricity and running water for weeks. On Tuesday, people could be seen at a makeshift market buying food and charging their mobile phones from a generator for around $1.35. The prices at the market were extremely high compared to what it is normally. Now, Ukraine believes that around 20,000 people have died in fighting in Mariupol since the war began. Capturing Mariupol would benefit Moscow, allowing it to link pro-Russian separatist territory Donbass with the Crimea region that Moscow annexed back in 2014.
We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Making video is time-consuming and hard work. Kindly click the subscribe button and click the like button so as to encourage us to make the videos you like. Thank you and have a good day.